This video I'm going to talk about cable tidies. So the reason I'm talking about cable tidies is because we're trying to reduce the amount of tape I use on my cables. So I have a couple of different options. One option would be to use a cable tie and one of these cheap sort of ties from like easy to get hold of. Another option might be like a Velcro tie. There's a couple of different types of Velcro ties. One's where you need to take off and solder on the end of the XLR, and that is another one that I've just cable tied on. My mum gave me some cable ties from her work, so I just cable tied them onto the cable. Right, and this one you actually, as you can see, you actually have to you actually have to take off the end to get it on. So you have to take off the end, the XLR plug, to actually get the cable tidy on, which isn't very time effective. So they come up with these ones which are even better. And these ones you can take out, like, just like you choke them onto the cable. So choking is like a term for like a rigging term. I'm not like, so choking is a rigging term. And then you just like, so I'll just show you. One sec. Literally just slots in through this small hole and you just feed it through there. So it goes around the cable, goes like around the cable and just slots through the small hole, and then you choke it down onto itself. I find these ones to be the most effective ones, like the most reliable and effective ones, and they last a long time as well. Just these ones. This one, however, is simple and easy to get hold of, and you just feed it through the hole and then pop the cable tie around the cable.